Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This right here is the famous patch that I did with the epoxy to stop a leak from a waste pipe that's been rotting from the inside. It's been 3 years and it was holding up just fine. It's a pretty popular video. I'm gonna post a link above so you can link to the video, watch the video if you need to see how I did it. This video is just giving a long-term update on how it's going, and I'm gonna be answering some common questions I got in the comments section, which are all good questions. So let's get started. So this is the stuff I use from Home Depot. You can buy it online on Amazon. I have a few links that supports the channel below if you want to order this stuff or similar. And this is the stuff that I use, and of course watch the video how I do it. And of course I made my famous patch, and within the 3 years I've had to make follow-up patches all along the length, all along. Yes, this is major procrastination at its finest. And today I just did this patch, nice and fresh, and it started to develop a little leak from this older repair because it deteriorates all along the bottom of the pipe and it's going to make its way all the way down. So I got ahead of it, stopped the leak, and went a little bit further to for some preventive maintenance. That should last me another few years in that spot. So the questions I got in the comments about this repair, it's a few good ones. This pipe has been painted when I painted the walls, and people ask, do I have to scrape the paint in order for the epoxy to stick? No, I had no problem with the paint. Don't have to scrape the paint. Just make sure the pipe is free of loose debris, rust. Have it as dry as possible. If you have a leak, you know, you're gonna have to wait till the leak subsides and to keep it dry. It doesn't have to be perfectly dry because you can't have it perfectly dry in the leak. So you just got to work quicker. And another question is, do I need black tape to make this repair? No, you don't. I think the tape is just to bind and hold the epoxy in place until it hardens. Only takes 10-15 minutes to harden completely. So the tape, I don't think it's too vital. I would use any kind of tape rather than none. I never did a patch without any tape. That could be a little risky. Use Scotch tape, tie a rag around it. Other than that, you're just gonna have a funny looking pipe that looks like it's got a broken leg. But it has bought me 3.5 years of avoiding to call a plumber, avoiding to rip out this pipe, which really needs to be done. I'm the ultimate procrastinator. I'm gonna keep doing this until I can't do it any longer, or if I just get sick and tired of doing this, which really isn't a big deal, I'll call a plumber. I really don't want to tackle this myself because I think if I start messing with this, it's just gonna get more complicated. And once I want it fixed, I'm gonna get a professional in here and just get it done. I've done all I could. So that's the 3-year update. Check out the original video if you want to learn how to do this. Hope that answers some of your questions. If you got other questions, put them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them, as I am very active on my channel. And with that said, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.